Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Hix.ai for free. To do so, firstly you have to search Hix.ai in the browser. After that, click on the first link. And on the top right corner you will see trial for free. You just have to click it. So as you can see, most of the webs needs their own personal account so that you can work personally. So that is why I will connect with Google here so that I can work in my personal account. So here you go, this is my personal account. Now whatever I will work, this will be in my profile. So now I'm gonna work on Hix. So if I press Hix, it will write for me automatically, like AI, what AI does. So there are lots of tools you can use here, and for more advanced thing, if you want in here, so you need to click on upgrade now in the top right corner, and you will get the premium version for it, so that you can use something premium here or advanced artificial intelligent tools. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.